Ever feel like adulting is a never-ending game of whack-a-mole? Bills, budgets, bank statements, it's enough to make your head spin. And let's not forget checks. Those things can feel like relics from a bygone era, yet somehow, they still manage to find their way into our lives. But what if you bank online, like Ally Bank? Can you even deposit a check with them? That's the question we're tackling today. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of online banking and check deposits. Now, some of you might be thinking, why even bother with checks? Isn't everything digital these days? Well, you'd be surprised. Checks are still a common way to receive payments, especially for things like rent, freelance work, or even the occasional grandma's birthday gift. So, if you find yourself holding a check and wondering what to do with it when your bank is all about that online life, then this video is for you. Specifically, if Ally Bank is your online banking bae, we're here to clear the air about check deposits. Ally Bank and the check deposit mystery, can you or can't you? All right, enough suspense. Let's get to the good stuff. Here's the deal, Ally Bank does not have physical branches. That means no friendly tellers to greet you and handle your check deposits the old-fashioned way. But that doesn't mean you're stuck. Ally Bank offers a couple of alternative solutions for depositing your checks. Option 1, the mobile app Deposit Magic. We live in a mobile world, and Ally Bank knows it. Their mobile app allows you to deposit checks electronically using your phone's camera. Here's how it works. Open the Ally Bank mobile app and log in. Find the mobile deposit feature. It might be labeled Deposit Checks or something similar. Follow the on-screen prompts to endorse your check, that fancy signature thing on the back, and take a clear picture of both the front and back. Once you've captured those images, the app will guide you through the final steps, which usually involve confirming the amount and submitting the deposit. Pro tip, make sure your lighting is good when taking pictures of your check. A blurry image can slow down the deposit process. Option 2, the mail might be slow, but it gets the job done. Ally Bank provides you with pre-printed deposit envelopes. All you have to do is endorse your check, slip it into the envelope, seal it up tight, and mail it off. Ally Bank will take care of the rest, crediting your account with the deposit amount usually within a few business days. Heads up, there might be daily deposit limits to be aware of, so check with Ally Bank's website or app for the specifics. Ally Bank Check Deposit, the not-so-fine print. While Ally Bank's mobile deposit and mail options offer convenience, there are a few things to keep in mind. Security, be cautious when mailing checks. It's always a good idea to use a traceable mail service and consider adding a layer of security by sending the envelope registered or certified. Processing times, mobile deposits are generally faster than mailing a check, but they still take some time to process. Factor this in when you need the money to hit your account. Eligibility, Ally Bank may have some account restrictions on mobile deposits. Check their website or app for details to make sure you're good to go. Ally Bank Check Deposit, the final verdict. So, can you deposit a check with Ally Bank? Absolutely. You might not be able to walk into a branch and hand it to a teller, but Ally Bank's mobile deposit and mail options provide convenient alternatives. Just remember, there are a few things to consider, like processing times and security measures. But overall, Ally Bank makes depositing checks a breeze, even for the online banking boss and all of us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.